look here, you have 10 centimeters. You can also go down here and see the sine function plotted. Okay, so it's on its own page. Cosine function plotted. It's on its own page. And the tangent function plotted. It's on its own page. All right. You're going to notice that the data that you have is going to extend beyond our calculations. Don't worry about that. I want it to extend beyond. I may have you guys do something different with that portion of the data. Okay? That is it for the data analysis. What I want you to do at this point is I want you to share this folder with me. Now, how are we going to do this? We're going to go to Dropbox. Once you go to Dropbox, you'll see all three of your files here. You have the movie, you have your data set, and you have your calculator. Okay? You can just double check if you wanted to. Make sure your functions are plotted. And we want to go back one. And once we go back one, we want to select on this pop-out menu. And you want to say Send Link. So once you send link, you want to copy link. Okay, once the link is copied, let's go back to Moodle. And under Moodle, Level 3 Experimental Activities, you will see a submission link here. And the submission link is right here. So I'm going to select on that. And in this place, you want to submit that link. Okay? So right here, it's saying that Eric Brass submissions, and it's looking for me. I can change. Let me see, can I change my role? Well, it doesn't appear as though I could submit here. Okay? So you should be able to submit there. If you can't submit there, let's just go back. And let's go to Site Home, I believe. No, let's go to Website right here. So once you go to Website, you'll see that it opens up on the web here. And we're just going to go into physics. Yours may look a little bit different, but we're going to go into physics, and we want to go into STEM Physics Term 2, 2016. And you'll notice that we need to paste put our username in, our password in. Just go ahead and take care of that. I have mine under autofill, so I'm going to use that. Say log in. So now it's taking me to the web page through a browser. So you can do this on a desktop. That's fine if you wanted to. And I'm going to go down to Level 3, Experimental Activities. Once I go down here, I'm just going to go to my submission link again. Here it is. And this is if you cannot submit on your device. So if I go down here, you'll see I have an add submission. I'm just going to add submission. And you'll see this online text box, okay? So what we want to do is we want to tap in there. The keyboard will come up. I'm going to hit return a couple of times. And we want to type in something readable, like assignment. Okay, and once I type in assignment, I just want to double tap on assignment with my finger. Okay, it's not doing anything. Let me double tap again. Oh, there we go. So the keyboard had to come up for whatever reason. Yours may not have to do that. Next, we want to select on this link. Once we select on a link, we want to touch in this text input box. And you should say pop-up that'll read paste. So I'm just going to say paste. Now you see all of this goobly goop, all of this stuff here. This is a URL, and this URL is pretty much unreadable by humans. I mean, you can read it, but it's weird. So make sure that that's in there. You see it's going to my Dropbox. And the next thing you want to do is to open this in a new window. So select on that box. The final thing that you want to do is say create link. So I'm going to create link. And now the link is created. You can see it because it's highlighted blue. Okay, so you can see that it's highlighted blue. Last thing you want to do is save changes. Once you save changes, this will send me an email. Okay, once it sends me an email, I can go in and grade it. All right, and that's the end of this particular instruction. So this ends this experiment. You guys have a great day.